Hello students, I am Dr. Kalyani Kakad, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy at Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigli, Pune. This presentation on a validated HPLC method for the quantitation of frednelin in Putranjiva Roxbury gall extract and in polyherbal formulation. The objective of the present work was to develop sensitive, accurate, precise and specific HPLC method for estimation of frednelin in leaf bark extract of Putranjiva Roxbury gall and in Putranjiva containing polyherbal formulation. Description include the research problem, solution methodologies and interpretation of the results. Putranjiva used in various proprietary medicine on female infertility problems. Literature survey reveals that no report on frednelin identification by HPLC. So commercially, Putranjiva Roxbury gall used for a various formulation. So selection of a specific part of the plant is very important. So in this study, the frednelin get quantified in a leaf and bark of a plant species, further help in a isolation of a molecule. Here is a drug profile of frednelin. Frednelin was pentacyclic triterpenoid and has been found in many bark of angiosperm. The description includes the molecular formula, molecular weight, IUPAC name along with the storage condition. Solution methodologies. Method development parameter includes sample and test solution preparation, HPLC instrumentation condition, preparation of developing chambers, derivatization reagents carried out as per the guidelines mentioned in United States Pharmacopoeia, USP, Chapter 203. According to this, chromatographic analysis was performed on pre-coated HPLC plate. Sample of extract, formulation and standards were applied by using microsyringe in a band length 8 mm wide and 8 mm apart by using a sample applicator. The developed HPLC plate was saturated in 10 by 10 cm twin tube glass chamber. Also, all the development were carried out at room temperature. Initially, different mobile phases were used for chromatogram development. From this, toluene as to chloroform in a proportion of 9:1 volume by volume shows better resolution for frednelin. Dry developed thin layer chromatographic plate derivatized with vanillin sulfuric acid reagent. Heat the plate at 105 degrees Celsius and observe separation of band. It helps in analysis of frednelin in leaf and bark extract and formulation. Analysis was carried out by TSC scanner 3 at 580 nanometer in absorbance remission mode, followed by WinCat software version 1.40. In this table, all the requirement or the information regarding the instruments and accessories are mentioned here, along with the preparation of a standard and test solution. A stock solution of frednelin 100 microgram per ml was prepared by dissolving 10 mg of accurately weighed frednelin in 100 ml of chloroform. Apply 1 to 5 microliter frednelin to HPLC plate for calibration curve. Based on solubility of the marker compounds, chloroform extract of leaf and bark were prepared by weighing 50 mg of dried powder of Putranjiva Roxbury and extraction was carried out by Soxhlet extraction assembly for 6 hours. Solution was filtered, concentrated and used for HPLC analysis. From this, weight 10 mg of leaf and bark extract transferred to a 10 ml volumetric flask. Chloroform was added to the volumetric flask to make a final volume, and weigh 5 Femi-4 and 10 Femiflex tablets, crush it, remove the tablet coating and powder were kept for maceration for overnight in 10 ml chloroform, filter it and use for a HPLC analysis. So procedure includes mobile phase use toluene as chloroform in a proportion as 9:1 volume by volume. 100 microgram per ml stock solution was prepared with the help of a chloroform. Leaf and bark extract samples were prepared along with the Femifort and Femiflex tablets were purchased from a local market of Pune and prepare a stock solution of all these tablets. AC preparation for calibration 1 to 5 microliter standard solution was applied to HPLC plate in the range of 100 to 500 nanogram per band. 3 microliter of the plant leaf, bark extract and 50 microliter of formulation 1 and 2 were applied to HPLC plate in triplicate, and the amount of fredonelline in samples were determined by using a calibration curve of standard. AC method validation. The linearity, precision, accuracy, specificity, limit of detection and limit of quantitation carried out as per the International Council of Harmonization (SCH) 2005 guidelines. The different concentration of fredonelline were for linearity study. Quantitation of standard in samples were carried out by calibration curve. LOD and LOQ calculated according to the mentioned formula. Precision studies include repeatability and system precision. Accuracy carried out by recovery studies by spiking known concentration of standard to the pre-analyzed samples. The robustness was carried out by making small variation in developed mode such as change in composition of mobile phase, chamber saturation time, etc. The specificity was determined by measuring the RF standards and ultraviolet visible spectrum of peak of compounds in sample, formulation and standard chromatogram. So here is a calibration curve of standard fredonelline at 580 nanometer. This is the HPLC chromatogram of standard fredonelline. The standard fredonelline was applied as a sequence of spots of various quantities so as to get 100 to 500 nanogram quantity of standard per band respectively. So the linearity was evaluated in triplicate. The scanning was carried out at 580 nanometer and the calibration curve plot was arranged with the consideration through area versus amount per spot. This is the calibration curve of standard fredonelline at 580 nanometer. A good linearity relationship was found to be with correlation coefficient R² value of 0.9892 for fredonelline. This is HPTLC chromatogram of standard Frednelin. Here is the HPTLC chromatogram of leaf of Putrangiva-Roxburghi wall. Shows presence of Frednelin. This is HPTLC chromatogram of bark extract. Also shows presence of Frednelin. HPTLC chromatogram of formulation 1 also shows presence of Frednelin. Formulation 2 also shows presence of Frednelin. This is overlay UV absorption spectra of Frednelin in peak of standard and extract, and Frednelin in peak of standard and formulation. So table 1 shows the results regarding the method validation parameter for quantitation of Frednelin by HPTLC. Table 2 gives the idea about the interday and intraday precision of Frednelin by HPTLC methods. Table 3 shows the results regarding the accuracy study. Table 4 shows the results regarding the robustness study for the HPTLC method development. Conclusion: this is only report on HPTLC method development for Frednelin in Putrangiva-Roxburghi wall, leaf, bark and in polyherbal formulation. I am specially thankful to respected Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir, Principal of Modern College of Pharmacy, for permission to use laboratory facility for this research work. I am also thankful to the Dr. P.J. Divakar, Joint Director, Botanical Survey of India, Pune, for providing authentication letter for plant species and also help in locating plant in Pune region. I am also thankful to the Board of College and University Development, BCUD, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, and Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research, Pimpri, Pune, for providing instrumental facility. All these are the references. Thank you, everyone.